Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you our small entryway makeover. We did a few DIY projects with it and just a couple little updates that made the space completely different. So first I removed all the clutter, patched up some holes in the wall and painted. And then I made this flat wall shelf. We'll be sharing a tutorial on that coming up, but I just bought some wood, put this together for the wall. I bought a plant to put in the corner, and then I made this bench out of 2x12 and 2x6s, and then I used this pillow from a previous tutorial and this rug that I thrifted I added in to kind of tie things together.